Okay, so this is a tutorial for myself on how to install CUDA for a NVIDIA GPU. Specifically, this is for the Quadro P2000 on Linux Mint, whatever latest version of Mint I'm on. I'll just do a quick neofetch to see what I actually have. But, so I am on Linux 22.1, which is based off of Ubuntu's 22.04 LTS, and I have the Quadro P2000, and I want to get CUDA installed. As you can see, there's NVCC is not working. Um, so yeah, let's install. First, I want to say that I do have the NVIDIA driver 550 just because I needed it to get OBS working for encoding, and this will most likely be uninstalled when installing a different driver set that we're gonna get from NVIDIA. Just to show that I don't have NVCC, which would be in user local. Um, there's no CUDA folder here, so yeah, that's that. So I'm just gonna Google CUDA installation Linux for the instructions on how to get it for Linux. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump to this 2.5. This stuff, if you have like a Linux system, GCC should probably already be installed. And I'm going to get this from just NVIDIA's PPA or whatever. So operating system, Linux, architecture, I'm on this, and I'm going to be doing Ubuntu 20. Wait, actually, hold on. Okay, so it's actually 24.04, not 22.04. So I'm going to hit 24.04, and then I'll get the deb local. I'm going to copy all these commands into a script so I can run it. Is Vim installed? It is not. So I'll just paste it in here. And then separate out each command on its own line. All right, so that is that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, we got all the right commands. Just gonna put /bin/bash up here. That is really hard to see. See if I can change this. Okay, so add the shebang and then just run these commands. That was put into my documents folder, so I'll just do chmod +x CUDA and then run that. Now this should take a little bit. The things that are going to take the most are these last 4 commands. This is going to install the package, or this downloads the big package, this installs it. This shouldn't take any time at all. This, depending on when you last updated, could take a long time or could not. This should take a little bit of time. And then potentially, I imagine we will be installing one of these. If it does come to this case, I will be getting the proprietary kernel. Proprietary kernel module. But in the meantime, let's just watch this. All right, so looks like the script is done working, or it's done installing everything. I can see now that CUDA 12.8 is in my user local. Unfortunately, I don't think it's in my path. It is not. Okay, so let's try to do okay, sweet. So NVCC does, in fact, we do have the NVCC executable. You can see all the executables here. So this should be able to run, and let's see if I can get like a CUDA test program. Let's get something simple. But first, what I'm going to do is put this in my path. I'm going to install Vim really quick. And then at the end, I'm going to just do export path is equal to whatever path is plus this little bit. Now, if I open up a new window and do NVCC, I get it, and it works. Now let's get some. Let's get all the sample code and see if we can get something running. But it looks like I will need to install all the like developer tools and stuff. So I might need to also do CMake. Let's see if I have CMake. Yeah. Do I have make? I do have make. Oh, okay. Let's clone the repository and then hopefully it will pick up the correct NVCC version. Okay, looks like it picked up 12.8 for CUDA toolkit. Hopefully this MPI stuff will not be an issue. Hope it's not an issue. 8 processors, okay. Let's build everything. Okay, so it looks like I don't need to wait for all the examples to finish compiling. So I'm gonna try this matrix mul example and see if I can run this. Okay, so there you go. Looks like it is working. Sweet.